Okay guys, here we go, lesson 5. Now we're going to be subtracting with unlike denominators. So we're going to do a little modeling here in the beginning. So same stuff, we're going to do 1/3. So I'm going to make my 1/3 and 1/3, and I'm going to minus 1/4 and go. Okay, now I need to do it on the other side. Okay, so I gotta do my 1/4. No, I don't want that thick. Okay, here's 1/4. 1, 2, 3, and here's my 1/3. Okay, so how many do I have total? I have 12. So this is really 4/12 minus 3/12, which is equal to 1/12. How I can use the visual model is, so here's 1/12, 2/12, and 3/12. So I can come over here and go 1, 2, 3. How many am I left with? Just the 1. So there's your 1. Over here, same kind of idea. 1/3, 2/3 minus 1/2. There's my half, there's my 2/3. You guys know the drill now. What I'm going to do, I cut this into half, cut this into thirds. And now I look at this and say, okay, that's 4/6 minus 3/6, which is equal to 1/6. Because I take off. And there you go. Okay? Let's look at the next one. Shall we? We shall. Hold on, let me move this down. Oh, there we go. Okay. Mr. Penman had 2/3 liter of salt water. He used 1/5 of a liter for an experiment. How much does he have left? 2/3 minus 1/5. Well, knowing what I know and seeing, my denominator is going to be 15. So watch this. I'm going to do 2/3 minus 1/5. Now, pay attention here, guys. My common denominator is going to be 15. So now I have to create equivalent fractions. To make equivalent fractions. Okay, to find equivalent fractions, we're using we're basically multiplying. Okay, we got to multiply. So I asked myself, 5 times what equals 15? Well, that's 3. So then I have to do it. If I do it to the denominator, I have to do it to the numerator, and that's 3. So then I go 3 times what? 5 is 15. So if I multiply the denominator by 5, I got to not multiply this by 5. And that gives me 10. So when I subtract 10 minus 3, I get 7/15 liters of salt water. That's it. Alright? I think that's it. Yep. Alright. Have fun. Bye-bye.